Welcome back. Continuing the news. Police operating in the Kingston Western Police Division found a rifle and a pistol on William Road off Russell Road in St. Andrew today. The police team also found 2 masks. The cops say they found the guns at premises after an extensive search with support from the military. The police also took 7 men into custody in connection with the seizure.
For us, we think it's a very successful operation. We started at 12 o'clock and we finished just after 2. So we targeted this particular premises and carried out a thorough search of the premises. We know that other guns possible in the area, but these are the particular premises that we went after, and we were successful in seizing these 2 weapons.
Gangs from Russell Road and a section of Maxfield Avenue, referred to as Rome, have been at odds for some time now. Several persons have been shot and killed as a result of the war, while others have been shot and injured. A passenger traveling on a bus from Crossroads to Waterhouse is the latest fatality of the gang feud.